my first time in New Caledonia, and you know, it's hard to go somewhere after the end of the season, after travelling so much, but it was just one of these places I really wanted to visit. The conditions are just amazing, super smooth winds with flat water, and it's really warm and just a beautiful place. Yeah, it was just an amazing experience to come out here because you get to see so many different spots. One of the main motivations for me in kiting is creating new stuff. It's what helps me with my competition riding, keeps me motivated to compete. The progression is slowing down a lot at the minute. There's only so many handle passes you can do. It's hard to find new tricks that really show the sport in a good light and how I want to ride. And when you land these new tricks, it does feel amazing, but you know, some standard tricks also feel good sometimes too.
So, how do you like our beaches?
Yeah, the beaches are good.
I've seen you on a new kite.
Yeah, that's the 09 Hadlow Pro. Check it out.
What's new this year?
It was a mission to know what to change to make it even better. We came up with a few things, and the main difference that you'll see is it has 6 struts, so we've cleared the middle of the kite. The centre is where you produce most power, so it's best to have the better aerofoil there. So the general feel just feels a lot nicer. So that obviously helps when you're going into your trick. Aerodynamic changes which have sped the kite up. When you do your kite loops, it drives to the top of the window and saves you.
That's a nice kite for sure. But you look a little bit sad, man. What's wrong?
I've been having trouble on this new move I've been trying, but yeah, I just can't catch the bar again.
You need some nicotine. Nicotine is good. Very good, man. To catch it again in the same hand, you should hold your bar a little bit longer, man. Osmosis, trust me. You know, this place is one of the greatest in the world, but you have a little problem now. You can never leave the island. Everyone is on strike. The airline's on strike, you can't get no cigarettes. I'm down to my last 500. Every day you must get up and kite in our beautiful scenery and perfect winds. This will be the story of your life. Except there is no story. It's random shots set to music.
Why should I stay here?
You are stuck here forever, man.
Why should I stay?
What do you think about New Cal now, huh?
I hate it, man. It's full of annoying people like you.
That's right. You will like your new home better if you get out of town and go far drive. You call this guy, tell him Vike sent you.
Nice. Maybe you will like this one?
Here's your bill, man.
Jesus, man.
Welcome to New Caledonia. You want another one?